the all-rounder becomes even more communicative and powerful. The new and second Plenticore Plus Generation G2 remains true to itself. Innovative with additional features that now offer even more flexibility with increased performance. With Wi-Fi as standard, communication with the new hybrid generation is even easier. This facilitates data transfer and monitoring and minimizes cabling effort. A device network is significantly simplified thanks to the second Plenticore generation with 2 LAN interfaces and daisy chain. In addition, 4 digital switching outputs expand the connection options for additional consumers, such as a heat pump. If you like the video, we would be happy if you like and share it. And also feel free to subscribe our KOSTAL YouTube channel for always getting first-hand information and news.